Welcome back to Master Your Finances. It's intriguing, isn't it, this idea of growing money? Let's get acquainted with a rather quiet wealth architect, compound interest. Picture this. You sow the seeds of a unique tree today, a money tree. During the initial year, it sprouts a humble few dollars, but the magic really begins in the following years. The tree starts to flourish and sprouts more dollars, but the fascinating part isn't just the growth from the original trunk. The new sprouts begin to produce dollars of their own. This is what we refer to as the marvel of compound interest. To demystify this concept, think of it as earning interest on previously earned interest. Quite interesting, right? Here's how it works. You deposit an initial sum of money or the principal in a bank or any investment platform. Gradually over time, your principal earns interest. Later, interest is also earned on the interest gained previously. This cycle continues, and each repetition makes your money tree healthier and wealthier. But remember, this journey requires two secret ingredients: time and regular investment. The longer you allow your money to compound, the faster it leading to a larger, more bountiful money tree. So why wait? Start sowing your money tree seeds today. Tune in next time as we delve deeper into more insightful financial wisdom on Master Your Finances. Stay savvy,